So first you need to connect the curtain controller as provided by the company. So it is phase, this is neutral, this is common, this is open, this is close, and this type of curtain controller will be provided by company, and it contains a 4 virtual wire. This is the curtain motor. So now I am going to explain you the 5-wire motor. So 5-wire motor consists of 5 wire. So the first wire, blue wire, is neutral, green wire is phase, the yellow wire is earth, the white wire is open, the black wire is close. How to connect motor with the controller? So you need to draw neutral phase connection from the wire phase. So input phase, input neutral, loop the phase with the common, that is 1 number. You can use a small wire, and then connect phase of the motor, then open, 2 number open, 3 number close. So the video is over.